Today I shall show you crispy dosa recipe. Hi, I'm Mukta Nagaraj. Welcome to SBL Kitchen. In South India, dosa is very famous. In dosas, humpty number of recipes. Every house has their own recipe. For this, I'm going to soak boiled rice, raw rice, urad dal and some fenugreek seeds. First, I will soak the rice. For this, I am adding water and washing the rice for 3 times and get the clear water. Now to urad dal, I'll add the fenugreek seeds and soak this. This one, I would like to soak it at least for 4 to 5 hours. After soaking for 5 hours, the rice is well soaked and definitely urad dal and fenugreek seeds are also soaked. With this, I am going to make it a fine paste. While grinding urad dal, I would not add the water directly. Slow and steady. Little by little, I'll add the water and make it into a batter and grind the rice separately and make it into a fine paste. Then I'm going to mix both. I have grinded urad dal and rice separately. I'm going to mix both into a bigger bowl. I'm going to mix the urad dal, which is fluffy and nice. This is mixed well. I'm going to sprinkle the salt on top of this. I'll leave this for fermentation for 8 hours. To make dosas, cast iron tawas are the best. There's one simple technique. Smear oil on the pan. Spread the oil evenly and heat the pan till the fumes come and then switch off and allow it to cool by itself. By the time you make whatever chutney, then it could be some other accompaniments with the dosa, till then it will be cooled by itself and it will be ready for us to use it for making dosas. You can see the fumes coming up. This is the right time. I can switch off the pan and allow it to cool by itself. For dosas, I shall show you Aloo Palya. For this, we'll start with adding oil to the pan. When the oil is hot, I'll add few mustard seeds. Once the mustard starts spluttering, I'll add some urad dal, some chana dal. Fry till it becomes golden brown. To this, I shall add finely chopped ginger, few green chilies, some curry leaves, I shall add the chopped onions, at this stage I will add some salt, Now I'm going to add little turmeric. Some boiled potatoes. Then freshly grated coconut. Some more salt to the taste. A spoon of sugar and some lime. When it becomes hot, everything is mixed well. You can switch off the flame and sprinkle some finely chopped coriander. Now our palya is ready to go with dosas. Let's make the dosas. Here I've wiped off the oil and heated the tawa now, which I had cooled it. I'll sprinkle some water and with a dry cloth I wipe it before putting each dosa. Fermented batter which I have. Smear some oil. You can even make this as a masala dosa by spreading some chutney and some palya. And smear it with some ghee. Our crispy masala dosa is also ready. You can eat this plain and also with accompaniments as to a side.